News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth. In a move aimed at strengthening India's cooperative sector, the Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, on Thursday approved a central sector scheme titled Grant in Aid to National Cooperative Development Corporation, NCDC, with a total outlay of 2,000 crore rupees. The scheme will be implemented over a 4-year period from 2025 to 26 to 2028 to 29, with an annual budgetary allocation of 500 crore rupees. The approved grant will enable NCDC to raise 20,000 crore rupees from the open market over the next 4 years. These funds will be utilized to provide loans to cooperatives for setting up new projects, expanding existing operations, upgrading technology, and meeting their working capital needs. According to the government, the initiative is expected to benefit approximately 2.9 crore members across 13,288 cooperative societies spanning various sectors, including dairy, livestock, fisheries, sugar, textiles, food processing, storage, cold storage, labor cooperatives, and women-led cooperatives. Implementation strategy. NCDC will serve as the nodal agency for the scheme. It will be responsible for the disbursement of loans, project monitoring, and recovery of funds. Loans will be extended either directly to eligible cooperatives or routed through respective state governments as per NCDC's funding guidelines. Direct funding will be allowed against admissible security or with a state government guarantee. The scheme aims to provide both long-term credit for infrastructure development and short-term loans for working capital, helping cooperatives run their businesses more efficiently and profitably. Economic and employment impact. The Cabinet noted that the infusion of funds will facilitate the creation of income-generating assets and enhance liquidity in the cooperative sector. This, in turn, is expected to increase productivity, profitability, and job creation, especially in rural areas. The move is seen as a catalyst for socio-economic empowerment, particularly for women and marginalized communities. Furthermore, infrastructure development backed by these loans is likely to generate employment opportunities across various skill levels, thus contributing to India's inclusive growth agenda. A strategic boost to rural economy. India's cooperative movement contributes significantly to the Indian economy, particularly by driving socio-economic advancement, strengthening rural infrastructure, and generating employment in the rural sector. Spanning credit and banking, fertilizer distribution, sugar production, dairy, agricultural marketing, consumer retail, handlooms, handicrafts, fisheries, housing, and more, cooperatives in India have their outreach across many production areas. Today, the country hosts more than 8.25 lakh registered cooperatives, enrolling over 29 crore members. Remarkably, about 94% of all farmers are linked to cooperatives in some form or the other. By offering targeted financial support, especially to under-resourced segments like dairy, poultry, fisheries, and women-led cooperatives, the scheme aims to enhance the sector's capacity for modernization, diversification, and economic resilience.
News Inc.
Your voice in the ink of truth.